Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim's T-LTX CRP kit, C-Reactive Protein. Here you can find code number 131959 and this is T-LTX CRP kit, and here you can find the kit content: R1 CRP reagent 1 into 40 ml, R2 CRP reagent 1 into 10 ml, and CRP calibrator 82 mg per liter 1 into 1 ml. And this is a C certified product, and this should be stored in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, so that I am only using ice pack, and you can find the manufacturing details over here. Now I am going to show you the side view of the box. This is the side view. You can find the brand name over here, Erba Mannheim, and this is the top view. Here you can find the manufacturing details. This is the overall kit of T-LTX CRP kit, and this consists of R1 CRP reagent 1 into 40 ml, R2 CRP reagent 1 into 10 ml, and CRP calibrator 82 mg per liter 1 into 1 ml. This is the overall content present inside the box. Thank you.